Understanding half past the hour in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase, half past the hour. Understanding this will not only improve your time-telling skills in English but also help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. When someone says it's half past a certain hour, they mean it's 30 minutes after that hour. The phrase, half past, refers to the halfway point between the hour that has just passed and the next hour. For example, if it's 2:30, it means it's 2:30. This is a very common way to tell time in everyday English conversations. Using half past the hour is straightforward. Here are a few examples to help you understand better. 3:30 means 3:30. If someone says, "Meet me at 6:30, they want to meet at 6:30. What time is the movie? It starts at 9:30, meaning the movie starts at 9:30. It's important to note that half past can be used at any hour of the day, whether it's in the morning, a.m., or in the evening, p.m. Do not confuse half past with have to. Have to, though less common, would mean 30 minutes to the next hour, but it's not a standard expression in English. Avoid mixing up quarter past, 15 minutes after the hour, with half past, 30 minutes after the hour. They convey different times. Remember, half past always refers to 30 minutes after the hour, not before. And that's a wrap on half past the hour. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you'll feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating half past when you're telling time in English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English learning tips. See you in the next video.